Welcome to Growing Spaces. Today, we're going to go on a tour of our 33-foot growing dome greenhouse kit. This is our 33-foot growing dome. This is the first size of growing dome where we do not have venting panels. Instead, we have active ventilation in the form of fans. So this will come standard with one electric intake fan, as well as one electric exhaust fan, as well as the one door and all of the 7 features that come standard with all of our growing dome kits. You do have the option to upgrade to all solar components, or you can add an electric attic fan or an electric intake fan, a solar intake fan or a solar attic fan. You can also add solar or electric water features, desert cooling package, which features a fan and a misting system, as well as an additional doorway. Let's go ahead and inside. With 850 square feet to work with, the options for how you design the interior of this space are really endless. You also have 15 feet 5 inches of vertical space to work with, so you can have many different trees in here. We've opted for grapevines and a trellis on our southwest wall. And for our raised beds, we featured 3 different materials. So we have our standard raised beds, which come with our installation instructions, so you could build those yourself. We also have a corrugated metal design, which you can now purchase from Growing Spaces. And we have backyard boxes, which you can purchase on our website. These are 100% cedar, rot resistant, and come pre-assembled, make it really easy to get growing that much faster. The geodesic shape is one of the strongest shapes known to man, and our growing domes can easily withstand 75 pounds per square foot snow loads, as well as up to 115 mile-per-hour winds. We have domes that have survived direct hits from hurricanes. The plants love the even lighting that the shape provides, as well as the regulated temperatures. The polycarbonate does have an R value of 2.8 and allows for 65% light transmission. This means that you never have to worry about your plants being scorched by the sun. And we also provide you a shade cloth with every one of our growing domes to help give your plants a little bit of extra shade during the summer months. As you can see, this is the first pond that we have that is round. And this is simply due to the amount of water that's within this pond, so that we have an adequate thermal mass for the size that we have to work with. Because we have so much vertical space in this dome, we even have had customers that build decks above this pond to provide them even that much more usable space. Thank you so much for coming on a virtual tour with us today. We do offer DIY and professional installation options for all of our growing dome greenhouse sizes, so you can pick what would work best for you based upon your budget and your construction experience. If you'd like to see a growing dome in person, we do have all 6 sizes available for tour at our Pagosa Springs facility, as well as a 26-foot growing dome up in Golden, Colorado. And we also have growing domes in all 50 states and 14 countries around the world, so we can find somebody that's local to you for you to go and see their space. I will have a form linked in the description box down below so that you can schedule your tour with us. And you can also always call us at 1-800-753-9333. If you are ready to buy, we would love to get you connected with a Growing Dome advisor. And again, I will have a contact form, and you can also just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.